Working in the Umbraco Backoffice, it's possible to create style sheets and scripts that you can use for your Umbraco website. In this video, I will show you how you can create these style sheets and scripts so that you can use it for your project. My name is Jonathan, and let's have a look together. Okay, as you can see, I'm currently on an Umbraco website here, and it doesn't really look that great. It kind of misses some styling. So to add some styling and a style sheet to our project here, we first need to go to the Umbraco Backoffice up here. So as you can see, we're now in the content section. We need to go to the settings section, and in the settings section, we need to go down to templating. Down here, we have this folder called Stylesheets, and if we right click on the three dots over here, we can create a new style sheet. In here, we have a few options. We can create a new style sheet file, and we can create a new rich text editor style sheet file as well. And you can also create folders to hold your style sheets as well, to keep order in your things. In our case, let's just go ahead and create a new style sheet file. So we created this file here, and let's first give it a name. Let's call it main.css. Awesome. We can also see the path from where the folder file is saved. When you look in your files, the CSS file will be created in the www.root/CSS folder in your project. Great, so far so good. Let's go ahead and add a bit of style to our project here. So let's go ahead and save the file here. So what we need to do is that we need to go to our templates over here, and we need to reference our CSS file here. You can see we already have a couple of files referenced, so we need to do the same here. So we write link real style sheet, and then we reference it, and we write -css -main.css. Then we close our tag here, and we can go ahead and save our template. If we go back to the front end up here and refresh it, we can now see that it displays our style on the front end as well. Awesome. So far so good. We now have a website that actually has some style. Now let's say that we also want to add some scripts to our Umbraco project to show something on the front end. To do this, we need to go back to the back office, and if we scroll down, we can see we also have a script folder down here where we can create scripts. So if we click the three dots and click create, we can create a new JavaScript file and a folder. Let's just go ahead and create a new JavaScript file. Let's call this myscript.js. Here, let's just add a simple alert saying hello world. Awesome. So far, so good. Click save, and we can see the path where our script is. We can also copy it if we want to. And just like the CSS files, this is also saved in the www root folder in a scripts folder in that. Great. So what we need to do now is we need to add this script to one of our templates. Let's just say we want to show this alert on our homepage here. Let's go to the bottom down here, and let's add our script here. So write script src and /scripts/myscript.js. Let's close it, and let's go ahead and save it. Let's go back to our front end here, and let's just try to refresh our page. Awesome. As you can see, it now shows us our alert. Awesome. Great. So I've shown you how you can create style sheets and scripts in the back office of your Umbraco project, and I've shown you how you can reference them in your templates so the style sheets and scripts are used on the front end of your project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more awesome videos about Umbraco. My name is Jonathan, and I'll see you in the next one. Jonathan out.